Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and we're going to talk about this. I've had a few people say that sometimes they see this appear on their Google accounts page. They want to go to Google and they see this on the upper right in their browser. And some have been asking me, is this legit? Is this something that I should click on? Why is this happening and showing up? So here's the thing. Google wants you to verify your account regularly for security reasons. So this is a legit message that appears when you are logged into your Gmail account. Every 6 months, when nothing has changed, they will ask you to visit your account and make sure everything is all right. And the reason why, well, there's a lot of things that could change over 6 months. It could be the fact that maybe you have a new phone number, maybe your verification email, the one that you use to actually, verify your account if you lose your passwords, for example, is fine. And of course, to make sure that everything is in order. It is a kind of a way to tell you, security is important. You need to check everything from time to time, make sure everything's all right. When this happens, I personally use this occasion to often change my passwords so that, it's always something new every 6 months. And if for some reason, that password would get in the wild, there would be no problems. It is a real message. You can click on it. I actually think everybody should take the time to click and confirm and check their accounts when they actually have that message appear, because it tells you it's been a while since you've actually changed anything in there. Remember, your accounts are important because even if you think, if I lose my Gmail, I'll just do another one. It is not as simple as that. You're not thinking outside the box. You're not thinking further than just, I'm going to lose an email, so what? You are going to actually give access to bad guys to an email that can send all sorts of, messages to your friends, your family, that can actually scam them into losing money and all sorts of things like that, get ransomware. It's much more important than you think to stay safe with your accounts and keep your accounts safe. So when you see this, take the time to go and visit the account, check the information that is in there, and why not, update everything that has changed, or that, maybe you have a new phone number, like I said, a new email. And why not take the time to change that password at the same time? And of course, creating really complex password is very important. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.